In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link on TikTok if you want viewers to visit your website, store, portfolio, or newsletter. The most reliable place to put that link is right on your profile. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and I'll add helpful pointers so your link looks clean and works well on mobile. First, open TikTok and go to your profile. You can do this by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. This takes you to your public profile page where your photo, bio, and all your content live. It's also where your website link will appear once we add it. Next, tap Edit Profile. You'll find this near the top of your profile page. This opens the settings for your display name, bio, and other profile details. Take a moment to glance at what's here so you know where everything is, but we're focusing on the website section. Now look for the website field. If you see it, tap it and add your URL. Type or paste the full address, including HTTPS, or HTTP, to make sure it's recognized correctly. Keep the link simple and trustworthy. Use your primary domain or a dedicated landing page that loads quickly on mobile. If you're sending people to multiple places, you can still choose one link that acts as a hub, like a page listing your top destinations. Avoid long, messy sequences of parameters unless you really need them for tracking, and double check for typos. If the website field isn't showing, it may not be available for your account type or region at this time. Availability can change, so refer to TikTok's latest guidelines and keep your app up to date. When you're happy with the URL, save your changes. Depending on your device, you'll either tap Save or Confirm with the checkmark. After saving, head back to your profile and you'll see the link appear under your bio as a tappable website button. From now on, anyone who visits your profile can tap that link and open it in TikTok's in-app browser. A few quick best practices as you finalize things. Keep your bio short and aligned with the link so visitors understand what they'll get when they tap. Make sure the page you're linking to is secure, loads fast, and looks great on a phone screen. And remember, you can update this link anytime if your priorities change. That's all you need to share a link on TikTok. Go to your profile, tap Edit Profile, add your website in the website field if it's available, and save your changes. Your link is now live and ready for your audience.